All right, I'm going to cut across to our big news that we're currently tracking. Aryan's legal team is currently inside the Sessions Court. Aryan Khan's lawyer, Satish Manishande, says that it is only natural if bail application is rejected by one court, then we move to the higher court. We've filed the bail application here at Special NDPS Court in Mumbai, and hearing is likely to take place today. Aryan's defense team will try to press for interim bail if the NCB takes time to file a reply. Mustafa joining us for more on that. Mustafa, do elaborate exactly what Satish Manishande says here. He says he's now taken the matter to a higher court. He's filed a bail application at the Special NDPS Court in Mumbai. Is it more likely for the bail hearing to be heard today? Take us through the details of it.
Well, Nabila, the bail application will be mentioned at the Special NDPS Court. It is not listed for hearing today. So first, the judge who has presided, V.V. Patil, will have to accept that he is hearing the matter, or the other option is that he may give a sooner date. But it depends on the hearing which takes place. The judge has presided. He's calling out the cases which are listed on his cause list. But senior lawyer Amit Desai from Aryan Khan's team is also present at the court, and Advocate Setna and other senior advocates from the NCB have already reached the court. What the Aryan Khan's lawyers were planning, that if the bail, if NCB seeks time to file a reply, they'll file for an interim bail. But as of now, the proceedings in the court have just started, and as Aryan Khan's bail matter is not listed on this court, the lawyers will be mentioning the matter. We'll have to wait and see whether the judge gets ready to hear it, or he gives them another date for the matter to be argued and for NCB to file the reply. That will be a very crucial point in deciding whether Aryan Khan's bail is heard today or he will continue to stay in jail. That's the important thing, that Special NDPS Court was approached. The matter is not listed for today, but it will be mentioned by Aryan Khan's lawyer. We'll have to wait and see what does the judge decide on this matter. Back to you.